Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Hey travelers, planning your next adventure in 2025? Whether you're jet-setting across continents or just heading out for a weekend escape, your luggage can make or break the journey. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best travel suitcases of 2025, from smart tech-friendly carry-ons to ultra-durable checked bags. We've tested them all for durability, design, and value, so you don't have to. Stay tuned till the end. We've got direct links to shop each one and exclusive tips to help you pick the perfect suitcase for your travel style. Let's roll. Number 1. Amazon Basics, 21 inches. Looking for a reliable and budget-friendly carry-on? The Amazon Basics 21-inch hard-side luggage offers durability, 360D spinner wheels, and up to 25% extra space. All in a sleek, scratch-resistant design. Perfect for your next trip. Travel smarter without breaking the bank. Number 2. Level 8. Rolling. Travel in style and confidence with the Level 820 rolling carry-on. Sleek, lightweight, and Airline approved. Its luminous textured finish, TSA lock, and smooth spinner wheels make it perfect for both men and women on the go. Elevate your travel game with a suitcase that blends elegance and function effortlessly. Number 3. Kenneth Cole Suitcases. Upgrade your travel gear with the Kenneth Cole Reaction Out-of-Bounds 2-piece set, featuring a 20-inch carry-on and 28-inch checked luggage in a sleek charcoal finish. Lightweight yet tough, with smooth 4-wheel spinners for effortless movement. Stylish, durable, and ready for every adventure. This set has your back from takeoff to touchdown. Number. For NINETYGO carry-on luggage, 22 by 14 by 9. Meet your perfect travel companion. The 22 by 14 by 9 Airline approved carry-on in sleek black Rhine Basic. Lightweight, TSA approved, and built with a tough hardshell and ultra-smooth spinner wheels for stress-free travel. Glide through airports in style. This carry-on is made for hassle-free adventures. Number 5. UKEIN Luggage Sets 3-piece. Get ready for any trip with this 3-piece luggage set, featuring a durable 20-inch hard-side carry-on, smooth spinner wheels, and a matching travel backpack. Built tough with a TSA lock for security, and a sleek black design made for modern travelers. Whether it's business or adventure, this set keeps you organized and ready to roll.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.